Welcome to my channel. Tenda F3 300 megabits per second Wi-Fi router. Power on the router using the provided adapter. Connect the Internet cable from your modem or ISP to the WAN port, blue, of the router. Use a LAN cable to connect your PC/laptop to any of the LAN ports, yellow, for initial setup, optional. Open a web browser and enter 192.168.0.1 in the address bar. The Tenda login page will appear. Default password, admin, or leave it blank if prompted. Configure Internet connection. PPPoE, if your ISP gave you a username and password. Enter the username and password provided by your ISP. Change SSID, Wi-Fi name, to your preferred name. Set Wi-Fi password, under Security mode, select WPA2PSK and enter a strong password. Thanks for watching.